How to connect to Bluetooth devices in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to connect to Bluetooth devices on your Windows 11? Then you're in the right place. So, let's dive right in. So, first things first, open up your system settings and then there you'll see Bluetooth devices on the left hand side. Tap on it and make sure you toggle on your Bluetooth, and after you toggle it on, you will see the Bluetooth devices that are available on the top. So you can see AirPods Pro is connected on the top. You just have to tap on connect, and then you'll start the connection process. However, if you want another device, then you have to tap on view more devices and you'll see the list of available devices right there that you can add to your Bluetooth. And that's it. That's how you connect Bluetooth device on Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.